Hi, I'm Diana Del Garbino, owner of Muscles in Motion, professional personal training. In this week's blog, we're going to talk about sleep and how important it is. And I was able to go to the Titleist Performance Institute World Golf Fitness Summit, and I heard Brandon Marcello, who's a PhD who actually does a lot of studying about sleep, talk about what were the benefits. Number one is everybody had a mood change. They all felt better in their mood when they got more sleep. Their performance was enhanced, especially when they had at least 10 hours of sleep prior to either a track meet or basketball or even a workout, playing golf obviously. Their speed was improved and their cognitive functions were improved as well. So sleep from our level here when we're doing workouts is we want people to get that good deep sleep on a regenerative cellular level. So we want the function of the muscles to get recovered properly and completely before you come in for your next workout. So this is why sleep is so important. And if you're not getting regular sleep, you're just really stacking the odds against you. So there's an article below from Dr. Brandon Marcello, and gives you some more information about what his studies show to get the most benefit out of sleep and really how to get to sleep a little bit quicker. And since it's December and we're getting ready for the holiday, we are joining forces with Project Lemonade. And Project Lemonade is a company in downtown Portland. They have a store, and it's all for foster kids. The kids actually get to come in and go through the store and get all the amenities that they need. Clothes, shoes, socks, backpacks, watches, whatever they need to make sure that they have enough to get into school, feel good, go and do some certain sports. There's basketball shorts and baseball attire and that sort of thing. So we're teaming up with them for the holiday and giving donations so that it will go downtown to Project Lemonade store. So if you want to bring something in this month, we would love to have you do that so we can help out the foster kids of Oregon. Thanks.